Hi, today we're reviewing this Kava Haven non-alcoholic spirit. I was gifted this for a review and I'm really excited to share it with you. I tried it last night. It's very cold. I've had it in my fridge for a couple days. And my review is that the initial taste is kind of a little bit bitter, but if you make a cocktail with it with a little simple syrup and maybe some club soda, which I did do, it's really very refreshing, almost like a minty, earthy kind of taste. If you like that kind of taste, you're really gonna like this. And it did give you sort of a buzz, but like a relaxation thing. So I kind of did feel like calm and really relaxed and kind of light. And I did like it. So if you're looking for something to try to see if maybe you can cut down or either replace your alcohol, then I suggest you give this a try. I think that you would really like it.